Big thanks to Mudgy Meat for supplying the product used in today's video. Today we're taking a leg of lamb and giving it the full low and slow treatment on the Kamado Joe. We'll hit it with cumin and chipotle, smoky, warm and just a little bit spicy. After a few hours we'll glaze it up with honey to give it a glorious sweet contrast. This is fall apart, juice running, pull it with a spoon lamb. Let's do this. Hey guys, it's Geoff and today we are making version 4 of our slow cooked leg of lamb. 6 hours in the Kamado, and just have a look at this magnificent leg of lamb we've got here, Yazzo, from our good friends at Mudgy Meat. Absolutely fabulous. Today we are going to marinate it in a glorious blend of spices, and right at the end we're going to glaze it with some sticky honey and tack it up back in the oven or the Kamado, whatever you choose to do. It is going to be fabulous. What do you reckon, Yazzo?
I reckon it's time to get on with this shit, Geoffa.
All right, team, let's get on with it. All right, we've got our beautiful leg of lamb here, and the first thing we need to do is check for any excess membrane and make sure we pull that off. Just use your knife to give you a little bit of a helping hand here and pull it right off. Comes off real easy. And we're going to slice some slashes into the lamb to make sure that our seasoning can get in nice and deep. We want that to be at least 1 centimetre deep and on both sides. Beautiful. Doesn't need to be perfect, just make some nice cuts in there. Then we're going to go down with some Worcestershire sauce so that we've got something for our rub to stick to. Again, hit it with both sides, get into the cracks and work it all the way in there. Lovely stuff. Now we're going to go down with our seasoning blend. I've pre-mixed this here and the ingredients will be in the description, but we're looking at cumin and oregano, chipotle peppers, a little bit of salt and pepper and garlic powder. Beautiful stuff. So that's that. We've got the Kamado Joe fired up to 120 degrees Celsius. We're cooking indirect today. And the first stage of this is 3 hours unwrapped so we can get some great color on the lamb. And then we'll move on to the braising stage where we get a little bit different than the first 3 versions of this, with some sticky honey goodness, a little bit of spice. It's going to be magnificent. So let's head out to the barbecue. All right, while that's cooking away for the first 3 hours open, we're going to prep some veg. I'm going to first chop up some onions. And yes, I expect you all to be as flashy as I am with the knife. I'm going to smash up some garlic, get it into the pan. Lovely stuff. We're going to go down with a tablespoon of oregano. You can use mixed Italian season if you like, and 2 cups of chicken stock. Then we're going to hit it with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce for that lovely umami flavor. All right, 90 minutes down, time to give the lamb a turn, and we do this to make sure we get some nice, even browning. We've got some nice crust appearing there just after 90 minutes, so 90 more minutes to go. Look at the crust on that, delicious. All right, we're now at the 3 hour mark and we've got a great crust on the lamb, so we're now gonna go for the 3 hour braising stage. So we're gonna get it into our onions and stock and cover it up, and we're gonna put it back in the Kamado for 2 to 2.5 more hours at this point, just until it's nearly falling apart, but not quite, because we need another half an hour at this point where we're gonna mix a little bit of that juice and stock with some lovely honey. A couple tablespoons of honey here, and we're gonna mix that also with some chopped mint, and then we're gonna stir that through and pour it all the way over the lamb. Then we need to get it back in the Kamado for another 15 to 20 minutes-ish, so that that tacks up nicely on top. If you're struggling to get some good browning, you can also put it under your oven grill if you choose. But you can see here we've got some nice gnarly edges on the lamb. That looks absolutely delicious. Let it rest for around about half an hour at least. I usually go about an hour, and then you want to shred it apart like this, but leave it in some lovely chunks. You can slice it if you want, but I love it all rustic and stuff like this. All right, Yazzo, I'm digging in. This looks bloody magnificent. I'm gonna get the best kind of oh, it's falling apart. Look at that. Best kind of charred bit I can find.
Oh, wow.
Cheers, everyone. Wow. Wow, you get the sweetness from the honey. The spices come through, the cumin, the chili is coming through, a little hint of the mint that we put on at the end. Goodness me. Little dunk, one more.
Yeah, all right, show off. Save some for the rest of us.
Come on. Come on, Yazzo, this is magnificent.
Yeah, hurry up.
Magnificent. Thank you very much for tuning in, everyone. Your discount code is now on the screen. Get your lamb leg. You've got to get your lamb on for Australia Day. If you're not in Australia, do it just because you love us. Again, your discount code is on the screen. The details for your lamb leg are in the description. Please get on board and support an awesome Australian-owned company, and we will see you on the next one. Cheers.